In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade from TradingView itself without using your MT5 or MT4 terminal. The first step is to sign up on FusionMarkets.com. I have my link below this video, so please use that. After signing up, it's going to take like a few hours, a few minutes, and after you verify your profile, all you have to do is sign up and log in. Click the I'm Not a Robot button and you will be greeted on this dashboard. Now, the first step you have to do is create a new account. Creating a new account is very easy. All you have to choose is TradingView. I usually choose 0, and my leverage, I usually choose 1/500. You can use or you can choose your own and click create an account. This might take a few minutes or a few hours. As you can see, it's loading, and now we have a TradingView account right over there. Now, as you can see here, the account is pending, and I have created a demo account prior to this video, so we don't actually have to wait. The second step of this guide is to go to TradingView.com. If you don't have an account, I'm going to put my affiliate link below this video so you can create your TradingView account. Click this button right here, see on Super Chart, and open one chart. Now below, you can see here, usually this is what it looks like, right? So what you do is you click expand, or you drag this thing up and you click this trading panel and choose FusionMarkets. And then now you log in your account. So the next step is go back to FusionMarket, copy your TradingView login, go back to TradingView, click FusionMarket, and this is where you paste your trading login and log in with your trading password, and we should be successful on connecting the account. If you are successful, you should see this FusionMarket with a green button or green icon beside the word. Now, the first thing you should do is add the symbols. Go up and click add symbol on the top right, and as you can see here, this market logo should appear over here, and you can start adding the symbols that you are trading. You cannot trade different symbols if it doesn't have this Fusion logo beside it. So now, how do we actually trade it? All you have to do is click this trade button over here, and this will pop up. So you don't actually now have to use MT4, MT5. You can actually trade directly from TradingView and enjoy all the beautiful indicators that TradingView has to offer. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit like, and hit share, because this is going to help my channel grow and have more subscribers in the future, so I will keep on making this kind of guides. Now, if I try to trade right now, of course, it's not gonna go through because the market is closed. I'm recording this video on Sunday. So I hope this video finds you well, and please hit like and comment as a way of thank you. Good luck.